OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to insert this SIM card in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This also works for the 12, the 12 mini, 12 Pro, and obviously the 12 Max that I got here. So what you're going to need your phone, and you're going to need the SIM removal tool that is in your box. So if you open up your box and you have a little card thing here with your SIM removal tool and stickers, you just take this out. And you're going to grab your phone, and on the left hand side you're going to see a little slot with a hole in there. You're just going to take your pin and you're going to put it inside the slot. You're just going to push it down, and you see it's going to pop up. Once it pops up, you're just going to take your fingernail and just kind of lift it up, and here is the tray itself. Then you're going to take your SIM card. This only goes in one way. If you turn it around, you can see the little groove there, and all you have to do is line it up like that. Make sure it sits flush, and once it sits flush, you're going to grab your phone again, and you can see you're going to line up the hole here with the hole there, and you're just going to insert it. Hopefully you can see that, and you just push it down until it's flush. Once it's flush, that is it. We're going to unlock. I do have a password on my SIM, so I'm going to put in my password if you have one. And then after you put it in, you can see I've got 5G and all my bars have come in, and your phone's ready to use. It's really that simple. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if that helped you out a bit. And yeah, that is about it for the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.